Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. Today my name is Jenny. So today's video is going to be the cutting and the sewing of this beautiful trumpet sleeve, as you can see on the screen right here. And I also made this A-line dress with it alongside. So if this interests you guys, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button guys, like and share this video, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video you'll be the first to be notified. So let's get into it guys. Welcome back again, soulmate. So this is the continuation of the dress we made earlier, which is the A-line dress with the cow neck effect. And today we are going to be cutting out the sleeve part. So I have my fabric like this folded into four, you can see. So I folded my fabric into four like so, and I'm going to just mark out the starting line. So on that starting line, I'm going to come down by 3 inches. Okay, so this is going to be the cap height or the cap sleeve. So I'm going to just come down by 3 inches. So you can come down by 4 inches depending on what you have. So you divide your bust by 12 plus half inch. Whatsoever you have is going to be your cap sleeve. On that line, I'm going to place my armhole measurements right there. So which is your bust divided by 6 plus 1.5. So I'm going to add extra inches to that of 2 inches for stitching allowance. Okay, so after getting that, now I'm going to mark a slant S like this. So go ahead and mark a slant S. You can see what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is what I have. I'm going to come down to my sleeve length. So the sleeve length I'm working with is 27 inches, but I added 1 inch for the stitching allowance, making 28 inches. Okay, this is how long I want the sleeve to be. So go ahead and mark out your sleeve length. So after doing that, I'm going to just connect the points together. So towards the sleeve length area, I'm going to mark out the sleeve opening. So how wide I want that part to be. So I made use of 12 inches. I discovered it was too wide, so I later reduced it to 11 inches. Okay, so I'm going to just connect these points all the way from the armhole area. You can see the armhole area, so I'm going to just connect it all the way to the end of the sleeve, which is the sleeve length. So just go ahead and connect it like this. So you can see what I'm doing. So after doing this is what we are having now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to the side, and I'm going to go up by 1 inch to take away this sharp point at that area. So I'm going to just mark a curve at this part. Okay, so you can see how it's now looking like. So after marking this curve, the next thing now to do is to cut it out. So guys, after cutting it out, this is what we are having. So I have 2 of this sleeve because I folded my fabric into 4. I really wanted this video to be well detailed, so that is why I have to separate this part, okay, of this video. So this is it guys. After opening it up, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring the dress. So this is the dress we made on our previous video. Okay, so this is the dress we made. It has a cow neck and is an A-line dress, and it has loops at the side. So if this interests you, kindly go and watch this video. Okay, it's right on the channel. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring the sleeve, and I've gone ahead to trim off the armhole in our previous video. Okay, so make sure your armhole area is looking so neat before you attach your sleeve. So I'm going to just measure from the shoulder all the way to the seam allowance of the dress. Okay, so just measure from the shoulder all the way to the seam allowance of the dress. So when you get to that point, please make sure you mark it on the sleeve like this, that is towards the opening of the sleeve. Okay, so you're going to just take that point like so. You're going to take it to your stitching machine and stitch from that point all the way to the bottom part of the sleeve by 1 inch. Okay, like so. So after doing that guys, I've gone ahead to attach the sleeve, and this is what we are having guys. Very easy and very simple to achieve. So I've also gone ahead to hem the bottom of the sleeve, you can see what we are having. So if you have not seen this video on how I achieved this dress, please kindly go ahead and watch this video. So this is what the sleeve is looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a very good ironing, give it a very good press, okay, so that the fabric is going to come out looking smooth and beautiful. So this is what it looks on me. So this is what the sleeve is looking like. Is it not giving, guys? Is giving, as in I love this sleeve so much. What do you call this sleeve, guys? Is it a trumpet sleeve or a funnel sleeve? Let me know on the comment section. Love you guys as always. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Mwah.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.